Hey, it's your girl Krissy from Events by Krissy, and this is Ask Me Anything, where you get to ask all of your event planning questions, and we'll do our best to answer them. All you have to do is ask a question in the comments below, or send us an email to EventsByKrissyGTA@gmail.com. Invitations, invited, uninvited, regretted, expenses. Wedding invites. How much are people spending on wedding invitations? Do you want stationery? Is $2,000 a normal price for someone to make my invites? Wow. 2,000 is a lot, but depending on the type of invitation that you're looking at, it definitely can get to that. If you're just looking for a simple 3 or 4 card invite that you're going to mail out, you're going to be looking towards the, $300 range. You're going to be looking at about 10 to 80 cents per piece. If you're going to get something much more elaborate, then it's going to cost a lot more, and 2,000 could definitely be it. That's just how it is. 100 invited, 45 RSVP'd, and only 24 showed up. We had a great time, though it was a lot of wasted money. Elope brides. I have definitely been to a few weddings like this, coordinated a few weddings like this as well, where there was a guest list of 150, 80 people RSVP'd, and essentially only 60 guests showed up. And what it really boils down to is making sure that you're inviting people that you know will be there for you. These are the people that are active in your life. Your immediate family, your really close friends. You can invite people from out of town, but traveling is very difficult, especially now in a post-COVID world. It's not as easy as it was, 5-6 years ago or more. There's a lot more restrictions and inflation right now. So people just aren't traveling like they used to. And I want to say, give them some grace, but if you're RSVPing to a wedding, show up. Definitely show up or send something in lieu of. It can be very frustrating for our bride and groom, but key for bride and groom to just really invite those that you know are always there for you. What do you do when someone you're not inviting asks you when the wedding is, where it is, and when you're sending out invites? I really like this woman, and I don't want to hurt her feelings. We're going to be honest. We're going to say, hey, I love you, and I would love for you to spend the day with us and be a part of our moment. However, we just cannot have you there. The venue will not accommodate you. But, and there's always a but, I would love to invite you to my bridal shower. I would love to invite you to my engagement party. I would love to invite you to brunch, an after wedding brunch, for all of those who are not able to attend the wedding, where we can sit down and have a great time together and enjoy that moment. So invite them to any other wedding event that you would be having. It doesn't have to be exactly the wedding reception or the ceremony, but you can invite them to something that allows them to still celebrate with you without actually being there in that moment. And I hope that helps. Hey y'all, we're looking to get married for 2024 and are looking for ideas to incorporate Mary Jane into our wedding. We both have smokers and non-smokers attending. Also, any ideas on how to add that into our, it says STD, and you know what came to mind, but it's save the dates and invites would be a huge help. Signage, decorations, anything like that would be helpful right now. Thanks in advance. If you were having a themed wedding and you want to add or incorporate something like Mary Jane, my suggestion to you would be to either talk to your venue first, well, actually definitely talk to your venue first and see if they are friendly to that. And if they are not, obviously you may not want to incorporate, but you may give out some edible favors for them to take home in that instance, and then they're not having it on the grounds as you're giving it to them as they leave. Or there are weddings where they have cigar rolling stations. You could incorporate a rolling station of some sorts and ask that they take it home with them later on. So it's a fun activity that they can do at your wedding and, you know, take it home with them as a favor. 2-for-1 deal. As you can see, there are so many questions about invites and who to invite, who not to invite, have your kids there, not to have kids there, that this video is getting a bit long and I don't want to lose you. So I will make a part 2, and we're gonna call this one a day for now. I will either add some more later on this week if I get a chance, or I will see you next Tuesday for Event Tip Tuesday, and we will give you more information about invites then. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night, depending, you know, where it is that you're from, and we will see you again soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.